This video covers how to sketch your floor plan quickly and simply, using Sketchpad. To start, visit sketch.io/sketchpad. From the left-hand menu, select Pencil, and draw the outline of your ground floor, showing your external doorways. Don't worry about crooked lines, scales or measurements. Then draw your rooms, showing your internal doorways and internal stairs. Now, draw a circle where you have existing mains-powered alarms. Mains-powered alarms display a solid green light when powered. Finally, label your rooms by selecting T for text, and click the location for your label. Edit the text with your room label, and resize the text by clicking and dragging the corners. If you wish to move an item, select the arrow first, and then the item. Once selected, you can then click and drag the item to its new location. You can simply copy, paste, drag and then edit the labels for the other rooms. If you wish to delete an item, again select the arrow first, and then the item. Once selected, you can then click the rubbish bin to remove the item. Repeat the drawing process for all of the levels in your dwelling, and remember to label your levels. Now that your floor plan is finished, select Export, then click Share, and then Share again. Click on Copy Import Link. You can then send us your copied link. We'll update your sketch with your new smoke site alarms, so that you can price and buy your alarms at www.redbusbar.com. Once you receive your smoke site alarms, you'll have your floor plan, showing you where to install them. Make sure you subscribe to the Red Bus Bar channel, and activate the notification bell. For more information, please visit smokesite.com.